This is the ATM 98 in Misty Dusk, a mechanical keyboard inspired by architectural aesthetics. Its custom spray coating creates a coarse-grained industrial look while still feeling smooth and refined to the touch. You also get a physical tri-mode switch and the Star Ring, with customizable multifunction macros and an RGB knob. It comes with Bsun Light Sakura switches, custom silent linear switches that keep things quieter, whether you're working or gaming.